K-Town Safaris. It's a balloon, hot air balloon. So in the next few years, we want to run a hot air balloon company.
Wow.
Subscribe. Don't subscribe, I will eat your ugali.
Guys.
K-Town Safari started back in 2016 in October. Yeah, it started as a dream. When I was in campus, I used to organize team building for classmates. I formed a club. It was called actually it's still in existence, called the Club TAMU, Tourism Association of Masai Mara University.
So guys, today I had the privilege of meeting the owner of K-Town Safari. So today I'll be doing an interview. I hope you guys, you're going to love the show, and if you love it, kindly give a thumbs up, comment there, and don't forget to subscribe. For all your travels, don't forget to travel with K-Town Safari. They are the best. They will make all this craziness happen. Hi guys, it's Princess Susan from Nairobi, Kenya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very honored and pleasured to have the CEO, the founder of K-Town Safari. So if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to subscribe. Also subscribe to his channel called
K-Town, just like that. Just search K-Town on YouTube, you'll find our channel.
So where did K-Town come from?
K-Town is a African name, and it's a tours and travel company based in Nairobi. We offer bespoke services related to tours and travel. Anything travel in Kenya, that's what we do. Yeah, so K-Town was a nickname, and we later on changed it to become our company's name.
So what's your real name? Because everybody knows you as K-Town.
Real name Kevin.
Kevin.
Majina ID, the names on the ID, Kevin.
So how old are you, or that's your...
About that, let me say I'm under 30.
You are under 30.
Yes.
So tell me a brief history about yourself, because I saw an article, they said from Mathare to...
Yes.
Yes, so tell me a little bit
right.
about it.
Okay, I was born and raised in Mathare, a place called Mathare 4A, Kwauria. Those who know the place, they know. And I learned there. I went to high school, I went to campus, and then I graduated and started my company. That was in 2016. So next month in October, we turn 5.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you so much. So it's an motivation to anyone out there, no matter where you are. If you want to do something, go for it.
Yeah. So what are the challenges that you're facing?
The industry right now has been, let me say, invaded a lot by people who are not doing straight business. So it really messes up our business as well. It affects us because you get some people offering raw packages that are not complete. So it makes people lose trust in the tours and travel business. So that's one of the challenge. Another challenge is maybe I can say COVID-19 has hit us bad because we depend a lot on tourists. Now most countries are on lockdown, travel bans, all the immigration points have a lot of things. Before you travel, you have to take swabs and all that. So it really affects our industry, but we are grateful that it's improving by the day.
There's always one thing everybody usually love to know. Per person sharing. What does that mean?
Per person sharing, it's very simple. Per person sharing, it just means per head.
Per head.
Simplified as that. And it means you pay the amount per head and you share services. Let's say, for example, we are booking a room in Masai Mara, a double room, that means a room for 2. So if the cost is 10,000 per person sharing, meaning each person pays 10,000.
Yes.
So that means the total will be 20,000.
20,000.
That is per person sharing, simplified. It means the cost is per person, but then the service is shared, like you share a room. All right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So where
it
do you-
doesn't mean that now you split the 10K and then each pays 5. No.
5. Yeah.
No. Yes.
No. So what do you see yourself in future, maybe 5 years or 10 years from now?
Yeah. First of all, our logo, it's K-Town Safaris. It's a balloon, hot air balloon. So in the next few years, we want to run a hot air balloon company.
Wow.
That is a big dream.
I wish I'd be the first person to be the customer.
And our big dream is to do something with the hot air balloons in the future.
In the future.
So it's something that's in the pipeline, and we believe that we can do it. If I was born in Mathare and started my own company and I'm running it and it's thriving despite a pandemic, then what is that is not possible?
So what can you tell the youth out there who are just there?
There's a lot of opportunities for the youth, and I would advise them, start young. Don't wait until you get old and you say, I'm too young to start a business, I'm too young to do something. Start there, because on the way you will learn a lot, so that when you are old enough, you have something we call experience that you can't get in school, you can't get anywhere else. You just get it by being hands-on. Look for that job. If you can't find that job, start that business. Do something related to what you love and focus on your passion.
So guys, you have heard from Manbazu. So make sure you follow him on his YouTube channel, K-Town. And you guys, he has delivered. Today I'm in Amboseli. I just love the fact that we are here, we have eaten, we have even our own chef. And the game drive was also very awesome. So guys, here is a brief highlight of how it went down at Amboseli. My first episode was about camping, and then the second episode was where the elephant were parading for my birthday, and mama elephant breastfeeding, and then the last episode was on Observation Hill. Kindly click on the description box to watch all the videos. Just leave a comment, give a thumbs up there, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, let's go back to the interview. You guys, kindly if you want a trip, book with K-Town Safari and you guys will never regret. Remember guys to comment below and what you think about what he has been talking about. Let us know what your thoughts are, and remember to share this video, and please tell people about K-Town Safari. So thank you for watching the video till the end.
Subscribe.
Yes, and go to his channel and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching the video. You guys are the best. I hope you have enjoyed my videos. Kindly comment below, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.